Let us create a matrix. So we saw what? We saw np dot min to get the minimum element of V matrix, which is 1 in this case. And we saw what? We saw V1 np dot min, which in our case 1 is the minimum element of V1. Alright. Similarly, we saw np dot max V, np dot max V1. We have the max element of V and V1. V max element is 25 and V1 max element is 9. Alright, so this is what it is. Alright, let us talk about reshaping moment. Now let us create a matrix. Or let us create 5, comma 2, comma 7, comma 4, comma 1. Alright, comma 11, comma 8, comma 25, comma 17, comma 15. Alright, now let us check its shape. It is 2, comma 5. Let us print also. It is 2, comma 5. That is 2 rows, 5, 2, 7, 4, 1. 2 rows and 5 different columns. 5, 11, 2, 8, 7, 25, 4, 17, 1, 14. 5 different columns. Alright. Now let us talk about what? Let us talk about reshaping of the matrix. A dot reshape. Alright. Reshape. The matrix name is A. Currently the shape of the matrix is 2, comma 5. Now 5, comma 2. Alright. Let us store it in a variable A underscore RSHP or A underscore RSHP or A underscore RSHP dot shape. We can see that 5, comma 2. It has been reshaped. Alright, so this is what it is. Alright, so A underscore RSHP dot shape 5, comma 2. Alright, so this is what it is. Now, the interesting part about reshape is that you can, if it is 2, comma 5, that means how many elements are there in the matrix? Rishi, Ravi?
10 elements.
Yes, correct. 10 elements are there in the matrix. Alright. There are total 10 elements in the matrix. Now we can do what? We can only reshape it in the factors of 10. We can only reshape in the factors of 10. That is
Okay.
5, we cannot reshape 4, comma 2. It will throw an error. Cannot
Oh,
reshape array of size 10 into shape 4, comma 2 is 8. Where will the other two elements go?
okay.
Where will the other two elements go? Or
Got
you
it.
can do what? You can reshape to factors of 10 like 10, comma 1
Okay.
or 1, comma 10.
Okay, so basically the number of elements will be same. Order is up to us how to reshape. So number of elements should match
Based on the
in.
requirement, we should reshape.
Yes, yes.
Alright, yeah, you were talking something. Yeah, you were telling something.
Yeah, I was saying like now we have 10 elements, right? It's
Hmm.
up to us how to reshape, whether 5 cross 2 or 2 cross 5 or 1 cross 10 or 10 cross 1. But at
Fact.
the end,
Hmm.
but, but at the end, number of elements should remain the same.
Exactly. It should be, let's say, it is the shape is, let's say, 2, comma 10. है ना? So it should be reshaped in factors of 20 only. 20 comma 1, 1 comma 20. All right. 10 comma 2. All right. 5 comma 4, 4 comma 5. All right. Like that. All right. 20 comma 1, 1 comma 20. So these are what? These are factors of 20. All right. Getting my point?
Yes,
Hello.
yes,
Uh-huh.
yes.
Rishi, getting my point? Hello, Rishi, are you there?
Hello.
Rishi, getting my point?
Hello. Yes, yes. I'm saying yes. What if we can 7, 4?
7 comma 4. No,
Yes.
it will be 7 comma 4, that is 28 factors. And are how many elements are there? So there are
10, 10.
10 elements है ना. 7 comma 4 अगर करेंगे तो error देगा. 7 comma 4. 7 comma 4 is what? 28, and we have what? We have size 10.
10.
So it should be
Yes,
5 comma 2, 10 comma 1, as we saw.
yes, yes, understood.
All right. So this is what this is how we reshape the matrix. All right. All right. Now let us move ahead towards transpose of. This is how we reshape the matrix. Let us move ahead with the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Let us have a look at it. All right. So it is very simple. Dot capital T. All right. A underscore trans. All right. A underscore trans. All right. And A dot capital T, it will transpose. So it is transposed. Let us have a look at the shape. You can see 5 by 2. Now let us have a look at A, and let us have a look at A underscore RSHP. All right. All right. Now see, this is A. All right. Now how it has reshaped? It has taken two concurrent elements, two elements that are beside. It has converted that into row. 5,2 उसको रो बना दिया, 7,4 उसको अगली रो बना दिया, 1,11 उसको नेक्स्ट रो बना दिया, 8 टू कॉन्करेंट एलिमेंट्स. Transpose is what? Converting of the rows into columns. Converting of rows into, excuse me, excuse me, converting of rows into columns. All right, or vice versa. Here it has done what? The columns were 5, 11, 2, 8, and so on. It has converted those columns into rows, or rows into columns. Same it is. 5, 11, 2, 8, 725 row, 417 row, 150. So this is what it is. This is how it transposes. Just use a simple function dot t capital T and it will transpose. All right. Any doubts?
Yeah.
Any no doubts? Ravi, any doubts?
Just 1 second.
Sure.
So, line number, okay, line number A is the original one. Line
नहीं हाँ
number
मेरे घर
4 is original one. Line number 62 is the transpose one, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay, okay. It's
Line number 61 where we have applied the function of transpose. 62
okay,
we have printed transpose. All right.
okay, okay. And line number 64 is the original array. Got it, got it,
Mm-hmm.
got it.
Just give me 1 minute. All right. All right. So this is how we transpose. Moving ahead further, talking about what? Talking about, all right, A range. A range stands for array range. All right. A range stands for array range. So remember, Ravi, if you remember, in list we studied what? Range. Ravi, do you remember?
Yes.
All right. List range 11 है ना? So you can see it has ignored 11 but it has given me numbers from 0 to 10. Alright, but now if we do what? If we write 1 comma 11 over here, so it will do what? It will basically start from 1. If we start from 2, it will start from 2 and so on. But it will ignore what is on the right side of the comma. It is going to ignore what is on the right side of the comma. All right.
So if so, that means whatever the elements we provide in range, the left side of from that left side of index it will start, and minus one index it will end
Hmm,
in the out.
correct.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right. I've explained this earlier also. So comma 2, if we write comma 2 now it will do what? It will start from 1 but skip one place and skip one place in between. जैसे 1 है, 1 के बाद 2 skip कर दिया, 3 ले लिया, 3 के बाद 4 skip कर दिया. So like this, 4 skip कर दिया, 2 skip कर दिया, 6 skip कर दिया. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So this is how range works. All right. Any doubts anyone has?
No doubts from my side.
Rishi, any doubts? in list range. If you any doubts, please feel free to ask. Only then I will understand that you're having doubts and I will clear it. All right. No,
Yes, yes, yes.
है ना? No doubts. All right. So this is what 2 लगा दिया तो और नंबर आ जाएगा 1 से और इवन नंबर करना है तो 2 से स्टार्ट कर दें इवन नंबर आ जाएगा है ना स्किप इट विल स्किप 1 प्लेस 3 लगा दिया तो 2 प्लेस स्किप करके तीसरी पोजीशन स्किप करेगा 1 2 3 2 3 1 2 4 थर्ड पोजीशन 1 4 7 ऐसे 10 ऐसे प्रिंट करेगा 1 4 7 10 ये देखिए ऐसे प्रिंट कर रहा है सेम फंक्शनैलिटी क्या है सेम फंक्शनैलिटी ए रेंज की बस द डिफरेंस इज दैट array range will do what array range will return an array. That's it. All right. If we take v5 np dot a range array range 1 comma 11 है ना? Just a second. 1 comma 11, so it is going to print mean what? It is going to print mean an array. The numpy dot nd array, that means n dimensional array. Any doubts in a range? Similarly, we can do what? Comma 2, it will give me even number 3. It will give me 3 places starting from 1. Alright, and if I write 2 over here, 2 5 8, and if I write 12 over here, then it is the point is it is going to skip whatever is in the middle. Or alright, so this is what it is. Or if only 2 elements, then whatever is on the left side of the comma. Alright, so this is what a range does. Similar to list range, but a range returns an array.
But in the output, I could see there are some empty spaces as well, additional empty spaces.
There are in this these are not empty spaces. If you calculate the len of v5, it is going to show you 10. These are not empty space, neither it is a white space. Because
Oh, okay. Okay.
in computing language, in programming coding, it basically calculates white spaces as elements. This is a representation. This is a representation to print. If we use print statement, then the array will vanish. It is just a representation, nothing to do with the concept. And the commas have also vanished. So this is what just a representation. Alright, any doubts?
No.
Clear? Clear?
Yeah. Yes, I'm
Yes,
good.
yes.
Alright, good. So this is what it is. Moving ahead further, talking about talking about one zeros matrix and ones matrix. Let us talk about zeros matrix first. Alright, let us take a variable, let's say v6 np dot zeros 5 comma sorry 5 comma 5. All right. So np dot zeros parenthesis square bracket, it will automate what? It will automate the zeros matrix for you. And type will be, of course, it is written over here only. So no need to print the type. Numpy dot nd and numpy dot n dimensional. Next we have what? Next we have one matrix. All right. So let's take v7. 7 is equal to np dot ones 5 comma 5. If we check its shape, we can also have 10 comma 10 or 10 comma 5, any arbitrary number. All right, 100 elements. All right, so v7 dot shape. All right, type will be array. No need to print type. All right, so this is how we print automate ones and zeros matrix. It is used in deep learning when we have to, let's say, see this is an image of a dog. है ना? We need to edit this photo, let's say. Let's say we have to blacken this out. Let's say this is an image. Was the origin. This was not the original image. The original image was of an original dog, and the dog image we want to blacken or whiten it out. So then it is then when we use np dot zeros, np dot zeros and np dot ones.
Okay, so in the output, we got decimals after the value, so it is by default, right?
It is by default. Nothing to worry about. It is not decimal. It is just a represented. Decimal क्या होता है? Decimal 1.0 अगर होता तो decimal होता,
Yes, yes.
है ना?
Okay.
Hmm. So this is what it is. All right. Moving ahead further. So this is how we create ones and zeros in a tree. All right. Let us take a variable a. Let us take 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let us take v8 or let us take b. np dot diag. All right. np dot diag a. All right. It is an array. b dot shape. All right. As it is written over, so no need to print type b. So see, we have created what? We created a list, small list of three elements, 1 comma 2 comma 3. And we did what? We used b is equal to np dot diag, where the diagonals got stored. And three diagonals, so 3 cross 3 matrix. Four diagonals, 4 cross 4 matrix. Five diagonals, 5 cross 5 matrix. Any doubts anyone has?
No.
No doubts.
Hmm. All right, moving ahead further. All right, talking about identity matrix. All right, so taking A is equal to 1, comma. Now, what is identity matrix firstly? Rishi, Ravi.
Identity matrix is where all the diagonals are ones and remaining
Correct,
values are
correct,
zeros
correct.
in the matrix.
Absolutely correct. Good. So let us take B np dot diag A. All right. B, as you can see, this has created what? Identity matrix. So if we take 1, 1, 1 and use np.diag, we can create identity matrix using np.diag. Shape is, as you can see, no need to print. We saw it above also. 3, comma 3 it will be. Increase the diagonals, the shape will increase 5, comma 5. That is 25 elements. So this is how we create what? This is how we create identity matrix. Any doubts? Anyone?
No.
np.diag, np.1s, np.zeros.
No.
No.
Okay, great. All right. So this is what it is. I think it's enough for today. All right, we saw multiple functions. Next, the functions that we'll see will be linspace, random matrix creation. They are more complex. So we'll start afresh on Thursday. All right. So this is what it is. All right. Any other doubts anyone has?
No.
Rishi, you have any doubts?
No. No.
All right, great. So see you all on Thursday. Have a great Sunday.
Thank you. Happy weekend.
Yeah, thank you. Weekend is over almost now. Yeah.
Rest of
Oh,
the weekend. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Same to you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.